You're absolutely right. This is skip counting by 2, starting from 90. So as a class, out loud, we are going to skip count from 90 to 112. Do you think we can do that?
Yeah.
All right. Ready?
90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 99,
100. 112. Stop there. Now, why do you think I stopped here? Olivia?
Because we're probably going to be dividing something by 100.
That's a good idea. So I want you to sit down and discuss with your elbow partner for a good 20 seconds. What are the patterns you see in this number line?
I see 2 and 4, 6 and 8.
No, he said, oh, you're going to be on 2, 4.
Great thinking. What were you saying, Harper?
So I was told that because I need to push 1, 2, 4. I was like, 1 over 1.
February.
And I noticed that.
All right, fourth graders. Please find a finishing thought. Who has a detail or pattern that they noticed? Mara? Oh yeah, 0, 4, 2, 6, 8. Marlena?
I noticed that every number there is
Yep, every number there is
even.
even. They all end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Like Mara, so Harper?
I noticed because I know my doubles. I know 2 plus 2 is 4, and I know 4 plus 4 is 8.
Oh, so like they're doubling almost? Christian?
I noticed the 2, 4, 6, and 8 just look like a pattern. If you cover the 9, that's 2, 4, 6, and 8.
Oh, right, so if we cover the 9, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Mm-hmm. Why do we think skip counting is a valuable skill? Declan?
So you can get to the number you're trying to get to faster.
Yeah. Like, do you pay for candy in pennies? No. Why do we not pay for candy in pennies? Gabe?
Because it would take so long.
Yeah, it would take forever to pay for anything in pennies. Would it be a lot faster if we counted by nickels? You think so? Let's count by nickels. I got another number line for us here. No, that's fine.
Thank you.
Now we're going to start skip counting by 3.
Enter Vanna.
Are you good that way?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Now we're going to start skip counting from 90 by 3s. Alright? Ready? 90, 93, 96, 99, 102, 105, 108, 107, 114. Alright. Good job. I should have set this up better, but it's fine. Take another 20 seconds to discuss with your elbow partner what patterns do you see in this number?
I see. It's kind of like we're multiplying 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 times 8 is 6.
That's okay.
Because the pattern keep like away from the middle. Just like how about twos?
Alrighty, fourth graders, please find a final thought. What is a pattern that you noticed in this number line? Eric?
That once you get to 100, it's all zeros until you get to 111. Like, there's always a zero in the middle.
Yep. Liam, right? Landon.
Yeah. It goes even, odd, even, odd.
Ooh, even odd, even odd.
So it's like kind of like we're multiplying by threes because like 3 times 2 equals 6, and then 3 times 3 equals 9, and it just starts over again.
Mara?
If you do it enough times, it will like start a pattern. Because if you did it 2 more times, it'll go to 120. So it'll start back at 0 and actually beat the pattern.
Ooh, that's good. That's even further skip counting beyond the number line. Alright. Now we're gonna skip count by nickels so we can buy our candy. Starting from 90. Ready?
90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115.
Alright. Take a quick 10 seconds to discuss with your elbow partner. What
I know that's
Just have
Alright, fourth graders. What is the pattern we notice in this final number line? Marlena?
At the end it goes 0, 5, 0, 5.
Yep, it alternates between 0 and 5. Can I see some new hands? Harper?
I had the same as Marlena.
Olivia, I saw your hand.
That it goes 5, 10, 15, but since it already had 115, it goes 115.
Yeah, almost like what Christian said earlier. Ariel? Yep, we're just counting by 5s. Alright. Now, we're gonna do something a little different. Whoops, that is a crappy 5. Who can tell me what a multiple is? Gabe, what is a multiple?
A multiple is something like that gets you to that number.
Excuse me, can you do it a little louder?
A multiple is a thing where you it's a number in which you like 10 times 10 equals 100.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is that we are going to figure out if the numbers we skip counted by are multiples of 105. And we're also gonna do 15 as well for a bit of a challenge. So raise a 2, 3, or 5 with your hand if you want to start at that number, or stand up if you want to do 15. Oh, looks like we want to start at 15. Okay. Is 15 a multiple of 105? Discuss with your elbow partner for about a minute.
Olivia,
I would say 15 times 5.
Olivia. Can you leave your ring on the table during math so that you're focused on math and not on your ring? You leave right here and then afterwards you can come get it, okay?
Who can
That's okay,
come
just want you to
here
listen and focus on what
have
he's
15
doing,
as a
okay?
multiple of 105?
No, that's okay. I'll leave it right here, okay? Thank you.
Crosby? How do you know 15 is a multiple of 105? Right here under the 15.
Because I know 9 times 5 equals 45. And what I did, me and Mara did, is we did 15 times 3 equals 45. So if they're the same equation, if they're the same like, if they have the same answer, I can
How do you get to 105 from 15 times? Do you double it?
I double it and then I add another.
So what's the multiple of 15 for 105? Double it, and then you add one more. 15 times what?
Oh, can you like 15 divided?
What's
No,
that?
let's do 15 divided. Like,
Do 15 times 6, like you said, to double it. And then you said add one more, right?
mm-hmm.
So what does that give us? 15 times what? If you add one more 15.
Much more on the left. 15 times 7.
Perfect.
No, 2, because you would have to have,
No, that's right.
linear.
That's right. Alright, do we agree with Crosby? Yep. Alright, what number do we want to do next? Raise 2, 3, or 5? I'm seeing a lot of 5s. Take a few seconds to discuss with your elbow partner.
Yes.
We're doing 5.
Should be 25.
Alright, Miss Statistics class, who wants to come up and show me how they did it? Olivia.
So what I did is for 105, what are we doing 105?
We're doing multiple of 105 of 5.
I forgot my strategy.
You can do your 105 if you want to. Or for 5.
Do you need to phone a friend?
Who who wants to help out Olivia?
Alright.
Okay. Good. And I just forgot.
What?
If you know what we did, like if you know what like 5 times 10 is, it equals 50. So we did 5 times 20 was 100, and then we added an extra group of 5s, which equals 105.
So they did 5 times 20, and they added 1 more 5. Yep.
Bless you.
Thank you. They added 1 more 5, so it's 5 times what is 105. One more 5 to this group. 20. Alright, do we agree with this? 5 times 21 is 105? Alright. We only have 2 left. Do we want to do 3 or 2? Show of hands. I think there's more 3. Discuss with your elbow partner. Is 3 a multiple of 105?
So we would have to do 3 times 20.
Alright, who wants to come up and demonstrate what they did? Harper, you wanna come up? How did you figure out that 3 is a multiple of 105? And how did we get 35? Oh, 30? 30 times 3 equals... You were right the first time with 35 times 3. How did you get 35? What made you start there? Oh no, wait. Never mind, you're doing 35 times 3. My bad. Good job. Do we agree with Marlena?
Yes.
Or Harper?
Yes. Yes, we do.
By process of elimination, we only have 2 left. Discuss with your elbow partner for about...
No, because
All right, whole class. What do we think? Is 2 a multiple of 105? Christian, you have different answer?
I got a stack
You got what?
of, I got one item. 20 times 50 equals 100, and 100 plus 5 equals 105. 5 this time.
Say that again, Christian.
20 times 50 equals 100.
2 times 50, right?
Yeah.
2 times 50 equals 100. And then can you get 5 with what's left? 2 times anything equal 5?
100 times 5 equals 100. 105.
Christian, does 2 times anything equal 5? Bless you. Yes or no? It's just yes or no. Is 2 times anything equal 5?
Yes.
2 times what can equal 5?
50. That's 100.
Right.
And 100 plus 5 equals.
You know what I hear is that you're saying plus, but we want to only multiply. So can I do, nope, it's okay. Can I do 2 times anything to equal 5? No. So is, Christian, 105 a multiple or is of 2?
No? Okay. I just forgot.
I like your thinking.
I need some help.
Whole class, why can't 2 be a multiple of 105? Amelia?
How about choose 2, 4, 6, skips the 5.
Skips the 5? Skips the 5. What other reasons is there? Olivia?
Because something times 2 cannot equal 5.
Mm-hmm. Why is that? There's a word for it. Eric?
Because 5's not a multiple of 2.
5's not a multiple of 2. Declan?
5 is odd and 2 is even.
There we go. This is odd. 2 is even. Therefore, it cannot be a multiple of 2 because 2 only makes even numbers because 2 is stingy. Alright. Thank you, Mrs. Fisson.